About the American Airlines Center, I really believe it's the center of Dallas and the entertainment district down there. In its 24th year, going on its 25th year now. It's the home of the Stars, the home of the Mavs, entertainment from a standpoint of concerts, WWE, and before or after the events, there's obviously a lot of entertainment outside of that, bars, hotels, etc. So just the place to go to watch a great event. The temperature controls in the American Airlines Center is really critical based upon the event that's happening. Ranks very specific specifications for ice, temperature, humidity, dew points, and they got to be there, and there's a very narrow window. One of my misnomers was that they actually took the ice up each time. Well, they don't. They cover it up.
There's over 100 degrees outside, and we're trying to keep the arena 58 degrees with certain humidity protocols and all that, and all of a sudden you let in 20,000 people. All the front doors are wide open, and the 100-degree air starts rushing inside.
So here we are in Dallas, Texas, 105 degrees in August, thinking about taking all the chillers down in the cooling tower. That's a big deal.
The timeline was very, very narrow and had to work seamlessly there. There's permits that have to be pulled. There's cranes that need to be scheduled, welding, electrical work, rigging, streets closed down, police officers there, flaggers, a lot of things to coordinate together in a small window.
If I could describe this project using only one or two words, I'd describe it as organized chaos, essentially. There's a whole bunch of moving parts and super tight timeline. You have people working on top of each other. It was just kind of a well-oiled machine.
We had some very heavy equipment that were 7 stories in the air and multiple cranes out there lifting and moving equipment around. The way they lifted those towers in and out was magical. We're talking about 24-inch round pipes here that had to be matched up perfectly, all of which could not be picked up by a single person, and all of which needed to be put back in the exact same spot that it came from.
So if I had to describe the whole journey through this whole project with Texas Air, I'd probably say it was a seamless project. They're experts, and if we had any questions, they brought in the correct expert or had the answer just ready to go right there.
It's a wonderful thing to go up on the roof with the team down at AAC and just see them smile.
So to have all the equipment at American Airlines Center performing at its peak means that we're able to really focus on the guest experience, not constantly being worried about what's going on at the cooling tower, and whether it's a hockey game, basketball game, concert. We want to treat everybody like it's their first time coming to the arena. We want them to enjoy it and come back to more and more events in the future.
We get to work on big projects and monumental projects, this being one of them. And truthfully, this is just another one that we get to showcase that's what we do, that's what we're excited about, and we love to deliver for our customers.
It's been very fun and enjoyable to work with experts in this field, super knowledgeable about everything that goes on within the cooling tower system as well as any other system that's connected to that.
Now they don't have to have concerns for all these performers, players, any stakeholders involved with American Airlines Center. This is a big epicenter for the Victory Park area in Harwood nearby, all the neighboring businesses and residents that are there. Now they get to look forward to the next 20 plus years.